how to make a filter on TikTok. So first of all, if we went into the TikTok app and clicked on the below middle right here to create a filter or effect, we're gonna just go ahead right here to the effects right here. And what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see right here plenty of effects you can use in order to make your TikTok photo or video based on the trending, right? So unfortunately for now you won't see an option that allows you to create your own filter on TikTok, but alternatively go back to your screen right here, and what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead to my Safari. Okay, in my Safari I'm gonna search for something called TikTok Effect House. Okay, this website allows you to create your own filter and post it on TikTok. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just enter the Effect House website, and what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and download Effect House. Unfortunately, if you want the download link for to download the Effect House, it's only available for Mac or Windows. So unfortunately for now, Effect House only works on the PC, but we will let you know in the future if there's a new update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.